This video will demonstrate how to use the SCDMV online trucking portal to make installment payments on your IRP road use fees if you have elected to split them up into quarterly or semi-annual payments. Before you begin, please be aware that no forms are required to complete this transaction online. From the customer dashboard, click on the Services drop-down on the left-hand side of the screen and select IRP/Intrastate. This is the IRP/Intrastate menu. Select RUF Installment Payment from the Payment menu box at the bottom of the screen. Your customer number will automatically be displayed under the Payment section. Enter the appropriate fleet number and fleet expiration year. This is the year that your current cab card expires. Then select the Proceed button. Select the hand icon under the Action column for the most recent fleet expiration year. On the payment screen, your total amount due for this installment payment will be visible in the Fees section. Select Proceed. On the verification screen, ensure that the information displayed is correct and select Proceed again. Next, ensure that you have disabled your browser's pop-up blocker and click the Electronic Payment button to process your payment online. If you need assistance with this step, please see our video titled, How to Make a Payment. After you complete your payment, your credentials will automatically populate for you to print or save. Thank you for watching. For more information or other questions, please call the Motor Carrier Information Center at 803-896-3870.